So now we are going to see about parts of computer. Parts of a computer: input unit, CPU, output unit. The input unit helps to send the data and commands for the processing. The device that are used to input data are called input device. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, barcode, microphone, web camera, light pen are some of the input device. Keyboard. Keyboard and mouse are the important input units. Keyboard plays an important role in a computer as an input device. Numbers and alphabets play a role of data in computer. Keyboard helps to enter data. Keyboard has two types of keys, namely number keys and alphabet keys. The keys with numbers are called number key and keys with letters are called alphabet keys. Mouse. Mouse is an essential part of the computer. Mouse has two buttons and a scroll ball in the middle. The mouse is used to move the pointer on a computer screen. Right button is used to select files and to open the folder. Left button is used to carry out corrections in the file. The page on the monitor can be moved up and down using the scroll ball. Central Processing Unit CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer. The data is processed in the CPU. The CPU has namely three parts: memory unit, arithmetic logic unit, control unit. Control unit. The control unit controls the function of all parts of the computer. Arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit performs all arithmetic computation like adding, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Memory unit. The memory unit in the computer saves all the data and information temporarily. We can classify memory unit into two types, namely primary and secondary memory. Memory can be expanded externally with the help of compact disc, CD, pen drive, etc. Output unit. The output unit converts command received by the computer in the form of binary signals into easily understandable characters. Monitor, printer, speaker, scanner are some of the outputs device. Of the various output device, monitor is the important output device because it is linked to the computer. Monitor screen looks like TV screen. The input data in the form of alphabets, numbers, pictures or cartoons and videos, it will be displayed on a monitor. There are two types of monitor, namely cathode ray tube monitor CRT, thin film transistor monitors TFT. Nowadays, computer system has TFT, that is thin film transistor monitors, as they occupy less space and emit less heat than CRT monitors. Memory units. The data is measured in units, which is called as bits. A bit has a single binary value, either 0 or 1. Classification of computer. The computers can be classified as followed based on their designs, shape, speed, efficiency, working of the memory unit and their application. Mainframe computer, mini frame computer, micro or personal computer, supercomputer. Personal computer and its type. Personal computers comes under the microcomputer. Based on the memory and efficiency in the PC, they can be classified as desktop, laptop, tablet. Connecting the computer. You must have seen the tube light and fan working by connection through electric wire. Likewise, various parts of the computer are linked through connecting cables. We call computer as system as it is connected with one another. Do you know how these parts are connected? These cables are called as connecting cables. These cables are found in different size. Each cable has its own specific use. Types of cables. Video graphic array, high definition multimedia interface, universal serial bus, data cable, power cord, mic cable, Ethernet cable. Video graphic array, shortly called as VGA cable. It is used to connect the computer monitor with CPU. Usable cable or card. Device like printer, pen drive, scanner, mouse, keyboard, web camera and mobile phone device are connected with the computer using USB card or cable. HDMI, high definition multimedia interface, transmits high quality and high bandwidth streams of audio and video. It connects monitor projector with the computer. Data cable. Data cable transmits data and it is used to connect tablet mobile phones to CPU for data transfer. Audio jack. The audio jack is used to connect the speaker to the computer. Power card. Power card temporarily connects an appliance to the main electricity supply. Mic cable. To connect the mic to the CPU, mic wire cord is used. Ethernet. Ethernet cable helps to establish internet connectivity. Wireless connection. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi are used to connect to the internet without using any connecting cables or device. Bluetooth, mouse, keyboard can be connected to the computer using the Bluetooth. Using the Bluetooth, the data can be shared with nearby devices. Wi-Fi. Net connectivity can be obtained using Wi-Fi without any connecting cables. Any data from anywhere can be shared using Wi-Fi.